we are installing our diff brace and torque these to spec, and your installation is done. Okay, so after you get all these bolts in, which is a pain to get in, and this is an adapter.
I hate it when they park like giant trucks on the corner over here.
I can't see shit. Whoa.
This thing's quick. Did it feel like this when you tracked it?
No. Are you
Really?
kidding me?
What? It
Dude,
didn't?
no, it didn't. After, what was this last thing you did? I think you did the exhaust or something. Yeah, you did the exhaust, right? And then I took it out for a drive. I went, dude, this thing's quick.
That was the last time you drove it?
Yeah, that was the last time I drove it. Dude, it's quick.
This thing's pretty quick.
And it sucks. It's scary because it's all-wheel drive. So you just floor it and you just take off.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Let's hop on the freeway and see how it feels. Dude, this thing's fun.
You know what? It's quiet too. Let me
Yeah.
open the window. Yeah, it's actually really quiet. So you said fourth or third gear?
Yeah, third gear. Oh, that's sick. It's not moving.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
That's perfect. That's actually, it's doing its job. That brace is really doing its job.
You feel like it's more sturdy when you shift, right?
There's less play. Like, you know when you let off the gas and like the shifter will move because the motor's moving? No, but there's a lot less play. Like if there's fourth, third. You know?
Yeah, it's gone.
Yeah.
Dude, before, I kid you not. So, if you look at my hand, this is it. Every time you floor it, the shifter goes like this. Ying,
Like moves,
ying.
right?
Yeah, move. This is creepiest stuff because one time when we were driving here, last time I drove it, I gassed it a little and then it moved and was like, what the hell happened to the transmission? Like, it should not be moving like that, and now it's gone.
Yeah, it's just from soft like motor and transmission now.
Yeah. I'm gonna use my phone because all the cameras are here.
We getting off on this one?
No, it's the next one.
Alright, this fourth gear.
Yeah.
Alright, third, 4,000 RPM.
No movement.
Barely any.
Okay, so we took it to the racetrack, John and I, and arguably, yes, we did not go past 4,000 because of the issue, which is fixed. It never felt, even from this passenger side, it feels more stable.
What do you mean?
Like, when you gas it, I know this is probably a placebo effect, but
Well, you think the rear like
it squats, but like the diff doesn't feel like it's moving. It just feels,
it transfers the power better?
yeah, for lack of a better term. I can't talk today.
Yeah.
That's what it's
yeah.
settled.
In that case, wow, that's a nice 993. Jesus.
Where is it? I can't see it.
Yeah, that's the silver one.
Oh, yeah.
But yeah, that's what the rear diff brace is supposed to do. Like, you know, since to keep it from like walking, or not walking, but like moving under load. So I assume the power transfer is better with, you know, our brace.
Yeah.
It's a lot stiffer. There's no vibration. Like,
yeah.
With the trans mount, like, nah, it's like not really added vibration at all.
It's barely there.
Yeah. Especially if you have coilovers, you can't even tell.
Yeah.
Like, the car is vibrating anyway, so they're like shaking.
Race car versus a luxury sports car. This car is fun. I had a short shifter on my car beforehand. I loved it, but some people didn't like how it was like almost, I want to say like a bolt action rifle. Like everything just, yeah, it's like duck, duck, duck.
Yeah, I don't like those too.
Yeah, so some people don't like that. Nathan doesn't like it. This, I think, is a perfect go left. Yeah, so it's not notchy, right? It's still, I would say, what would you say? It's kind of feels like an OEM car, but just a bit better.
All right, it is a little bumpy.
Scrapey scrape.
But yeah, there's significantly like less play. Like especially between gears, like you know, like when you're really shifting, high RPM, you know, the shifter's not moving, so it's a little better.
That's the thing that I love the most is just the shifter's not moving anymore when you gas it.
Especially like when you're tracking, when the car is under a lot of like load or an acceleration, you're like braking really hard or accelerating really hard to have the motor rock back and forth, and you know the transmission move back and forth. I think that application for sure helps. Like you'll for sure find a difference. But I think for street use, even like
pull
just
over here and do a U-turn real quick.
even just simple pulls, like it's very you can still kind of notice it. This is okay. So you want to switch or?
Yeah, we'll switch a little bit. Oh, my turn. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, like under load, kind of feel it. Where it's not moving, you know?
Yeah.
Like when you're kind of floating your hand there.
All right, let's see how this feels.
It's bumpy.
It's nice. It's
Yeah.
it's a little bit more reassuring, but it's still soft. Like it's still, what's the word? OEM plus. That's what it kind of feels like to me.
That's what I'm saying. Like it doesn't change the feel, like the notchiness of the shifter. It just there's less play.
Shifting it in a very aggressive manner, it did feel
Like it was easier to miss gears, right?
Yeah, it was much.
Because I think I've done a pull in this car before, and I've missed the gear. Because watch out, there's another car.
Yeah.
Because the shifter like kind of moves a little bit.
Yeah, a little bit. I think the best way to put it is, to me, is it's OEM plus, and it's a bit more reassuring for you to use.
Yeah. We tested the car, and it does its job, honestly. Like even, I mean, I honestly for the diff brace, like I couldn't feel a difference because I haven't driven the car fast stock. But when we were loading the car, like you know, doing a 1 to 3 pull, like the car felt fine. It didn't. The rear didn't feel weird. Like it doesn't feel like the diff is like moving or like it's like crab walking or any way. And then the shifter on the other hand, you know, when you're in between gears shifting it, it's not like almost moving into the next gear by itself. Like you know.
Exactly. To add to rear diff, I think, because I did drive it a little bit on a racetrack, it, at the minimum, inspires a little bit more confidence in putting the flower down.
Oh, you think so? You think it transfers power better?
I think it transfers the power better. Yeah.
So you know what I'm saying? Like,
I'm
sure you can feel the difference.
It definitely feels, it feels, okay, it's not like you solid mounted everything.
Yeah. It's not a huge difference. But you can feel it though, right?
Yeah, absolutely. You can feel it.
I feel like that's the most important part.
Yeah.
As long as you feel the part, like the difference with this. I mean, that's the whole reason you bought this part, right?
Yeah. You want to feel it.
You want to actually feel the benefits.
See you later.
Cut to John driving.
Yeah, cut to John driving.
Yeah.
Hello, mic check. All right, guys. I don't know what happened there, but the camera just stopped recording for some reason. Some SD card stuff. We're around 4,000 RPM. It gives you the pull already. That was only a second gear pull, guys. We also got a new intake too, so our intake sounds way better. I'm gonna drop 5th gear, drop to 4th gear, drop to 3rd gear, do a pull. That sweet spot of 4,000 RPM is super nice. In the previous videos, you guys know that we had a problem due to a CEL, so obviously the power was really not pushing at all. I mean, it was pushing, but he wanted more. The way we fixed the CEL was we placed a spacer on our O2 sensor. So that's how we solved that CEL. 4,500 RPM. Let's do a pull. Oh wow. Car definitely pulls a lot. Wow, this is awesome. This car feels planted, which is good. That's how we want it. Ooh, that first gear was nice. So we are at 4,500. Oh man, this car is pulling more than, wow, this car is pulling more than how, wow. This car is pulling how it's supposed to be. Woo! Damn. Okay. We need to do another video of this car going on the track, guys, because when we went to the track, there were a lot of misfires, and this thing is finally running well. This is awesome, really good. My first impression of driving this car after with all the upgrades, the car is running A1. That's crazy. That's really crazy. Alright, we're about to head back right now, guys. This thing's nice. And now we are back, guys. That was definitely great. The car feels different in some way. Handling actually feels a little bit more tighter compared from the first time we drove it on the track. The car feels great. The car pulls a lot. No problem so far, which is really good. We are not only trying to push 500 horsepower, but we are also trying to push for more than 500 horses. So make sure to stay tuned on that, guys. Thank you so much for watching.